All right. We are here. How's everybody doing? It's a big day today. It's a very, very big day today. We are going for 10 wins in a row live on stream. And you know, if we get all 10, if we get the one win today, it just takes one win today, I have to get the spray tan. I don't remember who in the chat created this months and months ago, and we've come close. You know, when we first started the stream, I think I hit 13 wins in a row early. This is the first time we've come to 9 since then, so we are right there. We are right close to 10. Obviously, today's stream, I'm going to be live trading. This is not financial advice. This is education and entertainment only. Don't copy my trades. Even though we are 9 wins in a row, you know, you could full port your account, and that could be the trade that I lose. So be safe. Take it safe. Don't do anything stupid. Oh, don't end the stream. Not yet. We're just getting started here. Where do I want to put this? Live trading updates equals spray tan. Showing you how it gets done. Let's send that there. Let's let everybody know we are live. We are live. We're going for 10 in a row. Please do smash that like button here. This is an extravaganza. It's a special edition of the Trade with Pat stream. Got a new hoodie on right now. I got some new lazy clothes for the winter. Feeling cozy. Ross from Friends is incoming. We've got to win. What are we looking at in terms of the charts? Well, this was my gold trade this morning. This was a VIP trade. From yesterday. You could see we were trading with the trend. We actually came in. I could have got in at that EMA there. I went with this level. Resistance, resistance, support, and also a little level of demand right here. Okay, so I felt like that was a nice area. Worked very well. Picked up 1.3 on this. Yeah, 1.3%. As we continue to stay hot in the gold VIP room. There's no music? Where's the music? It says the music's on. It definitely says the music is on. Nasdaq is looking good. Let's take a look at Nasdaq. There's no music for anyone? It says it's playing. Stream playlist is playing. There's no, the one time the music came off on my mic. Without music is better? I don't think so. You sure there's no music? Why the hell is there no music? I have it unmuted. It's definitely there. It's definitely on. I could see it's on. Let's switch from here to here. Is it back? How's that now? I am unmuted. Why do you keep saying unmute? No, I'm in OBS looking at it right now. And it is unmuted. Definitely unmuted. We have already a break on NQ. Are we doing a Nasdaq trade this morning? Maybe. Maybe. Down at our level of demand. You hear me better with no music. I know it's pissing me off. It says stream playlist is playing. I can't restart this now, though. I can't restart it now. Music. Music's on. I literally, I just had to like turn it off and then on again. Let's go. Let's listen to some music. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, 27.5. I think that's good. Hit the like button if you are ready to win some trades. We're going for 10 straight here. We've got a break here on Nasdaq, so we're looking at that. Let's take a look at that one. US dollar, Swiss franc is another one we're looking at here. This is a bit of a strange one here. Been in an uptrend. We have a demand down here, so I don't know if we're gonna get to that. I don't know if this range is enough for me to enter. I like this level down here a lot more, so let's see how many pips that is. That's a long way to go, but that's probably more what I would be interested in if we could get the price to come down there. UJ, let's take a look at UJ. And again, guys, if I win today's trade, I will get a spray tan. Again, I forget which one of you in the chat told me I had to do this, but one of you did. Don't have a ton of conviction on UJ. We do have, obviously, a nice little demand level here. We shall see. We're gonna get into something. We got to win a trade here. Let's go into the breakdown just very quickly. So we're looking at this 15-minute candle. This 15-minute candle already closed, so it goes down, it goes up, blah blah blah. Right? Then that creates our opening range. Right? That's our range top right there. Our range bottom. This is our opening range for the New York session we're trading. Then on the 5-minute time frame, we're just monitoring these candles. We want to see a candle break and close above or below. If it breaks and closes above, we want to buy. We want to do this in line with the trend direction. Okay, I'm getting that orange tan, obviously. And then we got to figure out where we get in. Maybe we get in at a demand, a midline, a fair value gap. We're looking left to figure out what's going on with previous price action. On this one, look, we got into a demand, right? We looked left, we saw demand level, set my stop loss here, took my first take profit, maybe a second take profit, and then a third take profit, something like that. And if I win 10 in a row today, I am getting a spray tan. I don't know who the hell told me that I had to do this. It was, you know, within the first month or so of streaming, someone came up with that idea, and I was dumb enough to think it was good. So we will do it as we go for 10 straight. US CAD. Looking more for a break above on US CAD. See right here. We want the break above on US CAD. US CAD we haven't had a lot of success with, but yeah, so that's got a long way to go. But we've got a lot of room to the upside here on US CAD. Orange Delight will be my new nickname. Sounds good, Drew. Let's take a look at gold for all of the lovely viewers. Gold is starting to break above our level right now. And yeah, now we have reacted out of this level already. So this is no longer a fresh area of demand, okay? But we are starting to break out right here. So we would be looking for a pullback, probably to the bottom of the range again. We do have this huge FVG right here that we would want to fill. So might come down further, but that's an interesting play for us. Right now we're looking at, again, this level here on NQ. For buys, that's going to need a sharp pullback in order to get that. What else are we looking at right now? So US CAD. This one's starting to push up. US dollar, Swiss franc. We have the break here. I just don't really, you know, we could get in here. It's not a terrible level, but it's not perfect. What are we at? How many pips? 15 pips. It is a pretty significant pullback. It is possible. We reject off of this level, maybe. Maybe reject off of this level. Draw that out. As we get ready to win, why not enter on the break? Because that's not my strategy, Darius. Is this your first time here, brother? Maybe watch some of my videos. I explain that. I have a process. You're getting orange, Pat, today, I hope. Good morning, JPB. No, Honey's in great shape. She's sitting next to me right now. She wishes she went out for a walk. I didn't get the walk. I'm going to have to walk her after the stream. Okay. Those are all our breaks, eh, Francis? Didn't love the UJ one, but it's not terrible. Could be a bottom. We have a lot of demand levels here. You know, I want a pretty good pullback, right? We got demand here, support level here. A lot of different areas on UJ this morning. Nasdaq, yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Nothing here. We're waiting for a significant pullback on Nasdaq. In order for us to get in, we're looking for this to come down here. US 30. Not really in line with the trend, so not doing that. We're looking to be in line with the trend. We want it to be above the EMA. Okay. Zexy, family dog's great. Honey's awesome. Not sick at all. One question about the free trade. Free trade's looking bad right now. I think it's just a pullback. I'm hoping it's just a pullback. It's a really significant pullback on the Euro CAD. Hopefully we can move up from there. I'm just looking at that on my phone right now. Yeah, the free trade's not looking good right now, but hopefully it turns around for us. We've got such a good record in the free trading room. Maybe your CHF. This one doesn't look that bad either. We have now broken out the top. Let's draw this for you. We've broken out the top, and we are trying to get in at our level of demand. Is that possible? Maybe. That's a potential for us as well. So we have our Nasdaq. That doesn't seem to be coming yet. Our US dollar, Swiss franc, USD CAD. My baby's crawling. Where is she? Are you all in yellow? You want to say hi? There's the star of the show.
Marshmallows.
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 Is Dad gonna win 10 trades in a row?
No.
No. Uh-oh, that's bad luck. Say yes.
Yes.
Okay, there you go. Now we're talking.
See. Foot sides.
The cutest little hens. Did they say, hi, Naomi?
Hi, Naomi.
Everyone's saying that in the chat.
Very well.
Yeah.
I want this.
You want this one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, she's wonderful. That's my baby. What are we looking like on gold this morning? Hey, maybe we should get in on a gold trade this morning, huh? Should I trade gold?
Yeah.
Can you say gold?
Gold.
Yeah. Can you say chocolate mousse?
Chocolate mousse.
There you go.
Turn it
Perfect. Turn it off? Okay, hit it. This one. Push it hard. There you go. It's gone. Oh, no, that's not anything. All right, we're waiting on gold. Is gold gonna come to us today? Pressing all the buttons. Okay, you're making lots of noises. That's my daughter. Hence the earring. That's my little Naomi. She just has short hair still, but her hair is getting long soon. Midline entry for gold? Potentially. Potentially. I'm trying to get as big a pullback as I can here. So I'm hoping for further down. Bye, baby.
Omi's leaving.
Omi's leaving. Okay. Alrighty. We're getting a little pullback here on gold. Can I take a look at silver? Alright, let's take a look at silver. Anything for BX Bert? Ooh, silver. Silver, silver, silver. I would happily trade this. I like this level here. Resistance, resistance, explosive support. Explosive support again. This level here is the real demand. Silver's a potential this morning as well, as we look for 10 wins in a row. Is Pat gonna get a spray tan? Yes or no? Omi just said yes in the background, so that's a good sign. Honey, shut up. We are vibe trading and we are waiting for pullbacks. We're not getting a pullback here, that's for sure. A lot of explosive price moves we are getting this morning on some of these pairs. What just happened here on US CAD? Bounced off the bottom of the range for 8 pips. If only I took a trade right there, we would have won already and I'd be at the tanning salon. Live on stream at the tanning salon. Is that what we want to do? Let's bring that down. Let's get up close and personal this morning. Your CAD sells. Can we sell? I don't know if... Oh my god, I love you. Thank you for the kissy.
Again.
Again what?
Again.
Do you want a massagey? Oh, here's your hand massagey. Pat for 10 straight. Let's go. 92% yes, 8% no. I'd like to know who's in that 8%. I'd like to drown you in my mansion's hot tub, right? That's what I'm gonna do with you. If you said no, I will drown you in my money. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, little hand massage for Omi. She likes that. She likes that. Naz is looking wild. Yes, a lot of things are looking wild here. We've got a good reaction off of this demand area here on US CAD. Now I'm waiting for a break out the top here, reject off of this level here, and then come back down for probably the same level here. Now it's quite the up and down play, but if it were to come, it would be nice. This one here as well, we've had such an explosive move. This may be the play on Swiss franc this morning, but we're just going to have to watch and see how things are going. Yeah, it would have been nice to just enter a breakout this morning. I would have already won. We are starting to get a pullback here on gold. This may be the one that we win this morning. Obviously, in my VIP trading room, I had a nice gold win yesterday. I bought this one right here. You can see I had this resistance level, explosive support level. That's where I entered. Could have entered at the EMA right here. Would have been even better, but I got about 1.3%. Sent that to, I think, 950 people we've got in there right now. VIP gold room's looking nice. And we are starting to come down here on gold as we prepare for our 10th win in a row. And if I win that trade, I will be getting a spray tan. If it's your first time here, please do give that a like, subscribe to the channel, and we've got to win. That's all we've got to do. That's all that matters to us here. Doesn't matter what you look like, what you sound like. We are traders, and that's the first thing that comes first. Something like that. Did that make sense? Made sense to me. All right. Whew. Check GU. Okay, let's take a look at GU. GU sells are on the table, but let's take a look at the DXY as well. Yeah, American dollar very strong this morning. A good morning for the American dollar so far. Okay, so we have US dollar strength. So want to be potentially buying the US dollar this morning from somewhere, but we want to still get a pullback. We want to get a good price. We want to buy the US dollar, but we want to get a good price on it, okay? AUD USD scalp. AUD USD, sadly, we are below the EMA right here, and we're feeling pretty good about the US dollar this morning. So we're not going to be trading this, right? We want to be trading with the trend. We want to be trading with that EMA. You can see here, we are above the EMA right here. We want to be trading with the trend. So now we're just waiting for a pullback. I take my fib here, measure from the bottom to the top of this move, and we're pretty much waiting for, 100%. Get this weird 85% in there. One of my analysts is obviously using that lately. Yesterday it was a gold trade that hit TP. That's right. Let's go back to gold. Gold is still sitting up here as we slowly wait for it to creep down to our entry right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Discord, see what's going on in the Discord this morning, what's going on in the market talk. The market talk is always busy. Bob's always in here. Houdini's always in here. We've got our one baddie in here. Raven is usually in here. Maybe two baddies. We got Nikki. That could be a girl as well. But the market talk is always a very busy spot in the Discord. Zeki's here. This is an area where they're basically doing orb trades in the London session and the New York session. Probably one of my favorite rooms. Share your wins. Look, we've got some people winning trades in here in the share your wins section. A lot of the time people put their wins in here. A lot of the time people put their wins for the trading robot. This is the trade with Pat robot right here. This guy says working great after 1 week. Looks like he's just trading mostly AUD CADs, doing quite well. Day one on a $100,000 account. Benny right here is having some good success. This guy's having some good success. So the robot is producing quite well so far. AUD CAD again. Everyone seems pretty happy with the robot. Anyways, where was I? I was looking at the market talk. Nikki is short for a male name. Well, we're just going to pretend you're one of the baddies, Nikki. And let's go back to the charts here and see, are we going to get into some action? Are we going to see that win? Are we going to get 10 straight? Are we going to get the spray tan for Patty? Maybe yes, maybe no. Spray tan, it must be so. Gold explanation. Okay, what are we looking at right now on gold? Okay, reasons for trade. Okay, we are starting our reasons for trade. Number one, we are above EMA. Right. Okay, so trade with trend. 2, we got the break of the orb. Bullish. 3, we have a support level, right? Let's draw that. There's our little support level, right? Use this level as support earlier. 1, 2, and now hopefully 3 times. Next, 4, Fibonacci discounted price, right? Showed you that a second ago. Measuring from our swing low here to our swing high here. You can see we're almost at a 100% retracement is what we're hoping for. Is it going to come all the way down? Maybe. Hopefully. We shall see. And those are the main reasons for our trading position. We are also, we do have some protection here. We have a demand protection. So, you know, this we could use this as protection, right? You see here? So we could put the SL lower if required. But we would keep it, you know, something like that at first. Make it look nice. The indicator settings, yeah, sure, here you go. Here is my indicator settings right there. UTC -5, 9:30 to 9:45, 15-minute. That's it. That's the only thing you need right there. That's all you need, okay? Does your CAD have hope? I hope so. I hope so. Oh, let me take a look at it. It's a significant pullback. I'm not sure what the hell happened on it, but I think that we could still pull this thing up. I sure hope so. I like winning all my free trades, that's for sure. I love winning my free trades. Our win rate in the free trade room is over 70%, so please your CAD. I don't know what you mean, please your CAD. Your CAD has already been traded. It's in the free room. You can go to the free room to check it out. It's currently in drawdown right now. We're hoping for the best, but there's, you know, no other analysis that I can do that I just did, right? Reasons for trade. These are our reasons. Are we going to get the pullback, right? And that would also be another reason there. If we get the entry, it is a significant pullback, right? Waiting for that price exhaustion. What else is going on? And Nasdaq is gone, so goodbye Nasdaq. US dollar, Swiss franc, getting a little bit of a pullback here. US dollar CAD, we didn't break out the top. We did not break out the top. I think if we broke out the top here, this would have been our best play. This would have been our best play to come in over here. Maybe even lower at maybe just the top of demand right here. You know, part of me wants to just take it anyways, but we're going for 10 in a row. We've got to stick to the rules. Do you think a trade can make 10% per day if risk is 1% per trade? No. 10% a day is insane. You'd be a billionaire. You should aim for, you know, just a few percent a month. If you could get a few percent a month, you'll do very well in your life. Gold reacting up now. And maybe this US dollar Swiss franc is going to be our only play here. We've just had too many explosive moves this morning. Let's take a look at EG. We may have to get away from the US dollar. Take a look at EG, but I don't want to sell. And this is below the EMA now. So no. Price has been mostly above the EMA, right? This has been all above the EMA here. So this could just be liquidity below the EMA before it pushes higher. So there's nothing here for me. There's no real conviction here for me on EG. Also, we got a decent reaction off the bottom line there. So some people may take this, but not for me. You know, I had this level that I liked maybe to sell off of if we got to break out the top. That was more interesting to me, but we didn't. US dollar, Japanese yen, yeah, getting a pullback, a little bit of a pullback. We still have a long way to go before I would consider. We have this area, sorry, this zone, and this zone. So we have 3 zones that I would consider taking a trade at, but we are not close to any of those zones. Let's go back to GBP USD. GBP USD out the bottom here, pulling back significant. The US dollar is so strong this morning, it's tough for us to do anything against the US dollar. I don't know if we want to go against the US dollar. Yeah, we would be selling GU. I don't love selling on stream. I like to buy on stream. But yeah, we could potentially take this. Maybe we would just wait for a significant pullback all the way up here on GU. We got to play it as safe as possible. We want the spray tan. So that still would require a big move up, but we'll see. Euro Swiss franc, a little bit of a pullback here starting. 13 pips is doable. Gold reacting up. We're waiting for the pullback here on gold still. US dollar Swiss franc, little pullback here, still waiting for it. We're just not getting any pullbacks this morning, really significant pullbacks, which is what we need to get into a trade. Oh. DJ 30. Holy crap. Yeah, the price is just moving too quickly this morning for our orbs to really do anything, you know. Our orb plus pullback. Our orb is down here. Look at this. How are we going to get a pullback off of that? We're just not. We're out on that. Optimus, why do I have to look? I have a gold chart. Why do I have to look at another chart? Here's the gold chart. Okay, I think we're going to have to mute you, buddy. You're kind of annoying. You know, I don't understand why you want me. If you have something that you want to say to me, elaborate. Be a little bit more clear, right? I can't just, you know, read a sentence and go, all right, that makes sense. Explain why you want me to look at the chart, maybe. Add name, watermark, and time frame to screen. I don't like that. I don't like to look at that stuff. The time frame's up here. Not really looking for those sorts of recommendations. How much time do I trade? Normally I'm on stream for a couple hours a day. 2 FVGs on gold being respected. And it does look that way. Filled this FVG right there. And then going back up. We just have a lot of explosive price moves this morning. We need price to come down a little bit. The green and red boxes, just click on this right here. See? That's what those are. All right, back to Swiss franc. Your CHF. So we have 3. It does look like we're going to be waiting a little bit here till we get in. What about GU? I think I looked at GU. Time frame watermark. I'm sorry. Just assume that I'm always looking at the 5-minute time frame, because I am always looking at the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, you're definitely coming to the sauna, Claudia's. Let's go ahead. We might as well go ahead and take a look at the Instagram a little bit here while we wait for some trades. You can see here the mansion we were looking at right there. I was at the mansion yesterday. It's looking real nice. Excited to get in here. Beautiful courtyard. My TV room right here. Look, they got the ceiling all done in wood. Ooh, man, that's gonna look good when we get the wood flooring in. We get those walls painted white. This is the basement. So the sauna is the room right here on the left, and it's huge. It's a big sauna, so I'm definitely going to be chilling that. Yeah, about 4 or 5, I think 5 months away from moving into the mansion now. We're coming super, super close. And then I'm hoping to have a more chill life, because I do work way too much. I do trade a little bit too much. I am hoping... this guy was bragging about his results here with the Trade with Pat robot this morning. Beautiful. Obviously, here I had the nice EU win. I hit a quick EU win this morning, and then I went break even on that. You can see, bing, we smoked it. Looking good pre-market. And then, obviously, we have the spray tan. Look how gold I'm looking in the picture here. So that's what's going on right now on the IG. I think we got big news this afternoon too, right? We got the FOMC this more. Are we going to be hawkish? The FOMC, big meeting today. Back to the charts as we wait for pullbacks. Basically just waiting for pullbacks on all of these setups. US CAD, again, this would be nice if we could get a break out the top. This would give us another opportunity. So we're trying to get a break out the top here on US CAD and then a pullback to maybe this level here for an entry. So this would give us one more potential opportunity. Let's go ahead and see what's going on in the Discord right now in the market talk. This is what Ducky is seeing right now on gold US dollar. Yeah, he's looking at the FVG right here, entry on gold. Not bad, not bad. He prefers the order block entry as well as I do. That's what's going on in Market Watch. They're always in the market talk. Market talk. In the Discord. Link in the video description if you want to see what's going on there. We do now have, it looks like, our potential break on US CAD here this morning. Wow, that's an explosive move too. But US dollar is showing some insane strength this morning, isn't it? So I'm pretty sure we're gonna get that break. We got about a minute and a half left for that candle to close, and then we could get our pullback right here for an entry on US CAD this morning. The EJ is back in the range. Let's go ahead and take a look at EJ for you. Yeah, I don't know about this thing. There's just too much. There's too much room for this to come down. You can see here. We've got, big fair value gaps here. A lot of market imbalance that needs to be filled. Even fair value gap down here that needs to be filled. A level of demand down here. Now, if this price tumbles down here to demand somehow, maybe we'll take that. Okay. GBP. If this come all the way up here, we'll take that. US CAD waiting for break here. And we're going to get that break and close. That close is going to happen in about 40 seconds now. And then we're going to want to have a pullback back into our range here. Gold, still waiting for a pullback here. You could see Ducky was looking at this level. Ducky liked this level right here. You might be able to get a reaction off of that level with how price is going. But I'm hoping for a steeper pullback this morning. I want really exhausted price. I want to get a super discount this morning to make sure that we get that win and get to 10 straight. You're having trouble getting the robot to trade by itself. That's weird. This is honestly the easiest robot I've ever created. If you just put it on the chart, load a set file, and forget about it, it'll trade. It's really easy to use. Really easy to use. It's much easier than Forex Fury. What's the fib looking like on gold? Well, it's looking nice, right? You could mark that as our swing low. Look at that. We are going to be well below our discounted price here. And you can see we are starting to creep down. So this is the hope that we can creep down, get below that 50%. We are at a discounted, we are looking to get to a discounted price below 50% right here. We have begun the pullback now. How steep of a pullback are we going to get? I'm not sure, but I'm hoping it's really steep. I'm hoping we can get to our entry down here this morning. Get that 10 wins in a row. Or maybe I just make you guys wait and then Monday. AJ at the midline. Let's take a look at AJ. AJ actually doesn't look bad, guys. AJ doesn't look bad. AJ's a mean demand zone down here. That's a nice demand zone down there. May consider this. may consider this. But what is my spread on AJ this morning? It's not bad. It's half a pip. It's not bad. It is not terrible. We're gonna have to keep an eye on AJ. We'll keep an eye on you. AUD USD. I thought I talked about AUD USD. Yeah, I'm very bullish on the dollar this morning. The DXY is very, very bullish, so I don't want to buy the Australian dollar. You think gold is looking bearish? Well, that's okay if gold is looking bearish, you know, because I do want the significant pullback, right? I want the significant pullback to my entry here. So some bearish is fine. Some bearish is fine. As we wait to try and get in for 10 straight. Gold is coming. I'm gonna come. Gold is the best trade we have. All right, sounds good. Is Nasdaq easier than major pairs? It depends on your trading strategy, you know. It is always a good idea to try different indices to see which asset just you kind of connect with. What the fuck is going on here? Honey, get in the house. That scared the hell out of you. Oh. The US CAD broke, right? Holy crap. Yeah, it broke. We gotta wait for a pullback here on this one still now, but we've got another option at least. We have some options. Gold seems to be the one that is giving us the most likelihood of a trading opportunity this morning. AJ is coming close. Are we taking AJ? Are we taking AJ? I don't know yet, Vapool. I think we're going to wait for gold. Gold seems to be pulling back quite nicely for us. Look, it just filled that FVG, Ducky's FVG here. And it is giving a little bit of a reaction there. Let's see if that FVG holds for our boy Ducky. We are pulling back. We are waiting for price exhaustion. Those sellers are going to get wasted. Look, it closed in the FVG and it is reacting a little bit here. We're waiting for a significant pullback to get in on gold this morning. These are our reasons for the trade. We are above the EMA. We are trading with the trend. We've had the break of the orb. We have a nice level of support to enter at. We're catching the Fibonacci at a discounted price below 50%. We have some demand zone protection right there on our stop loss, and we're expecting a significant pullback. Okay, that's what we're expecting. I should drop some merch. I know I should drop some merch. I just don't know what I would want. I would want it to be cool, you know what I mean? It wouldn't be like just trade with Pat merch. I would want it to be like, I don't know, something cool. Just got some new pants. I actually am wearing these too. I just like, these are my favorite pants, so I think I have 4 pairs of them now. I don't like to make decisions on like clothes and stuff like that. So I just have like 4 Nike sweaters, 4 Nike pants, and then I just kind of wear them all the time. But like, if I were to come up with like merch, I don't even like, I don't even know what I would want to call it, but I wouldn't want to call it Trade with Pat. Like, I would want to call it like something cool. I just don't know what it would be. Like pips. All right, so gold. Let's take a look at AJ. We're considering AJ as well here. Getting some positive reaction here. This FVG right there still needs to get filled, and then enter here maybe. Again, my spread's pretty good on AJ here. You can see, where was AJ? AJ right there is not bad. About half a pip. Not too bad. So that's possible for us. That is possible for us. It's really kind of between those two to see if we're gonna make the money. Is it gonna be, are we getting the spray tan? You know, I'm also thinking about now. This is going to be a very long time from now, maybe in like a year from now. But I am thinking about doing a trading course. It would not be like one of these huge trading courses people do. It would be like, you know, it would be like $200 or something, and I would do like 10 to 20 hours, just really go through every concept you need to trade my strategy. What's the easiest pair? I don't know. It's like people don't like gold, but I've had so much success with gold. Like my gold win rate this year is absolutely insane. So it's hard for me to not say gold just because I've had success with gold. And I, you know, if you're just like, hey Pat, what's the one thing you would trade the rest of your life? It would probably be gold, right? So I do love gold. And that's what gold looks like. Course sellers have a terrible reputation. I know. That's why it's like, that's why I've never sold a course. But that's why if I did sell a course, I would make it cheap, right? I would make it, you know, $180 or something. Like, and it would just be like, if you really like my strategy, which I teach on stream anyways, you know, but you just want to have it solidified, then that is something I would consider doing. But again, you know, with the release of the robot, and then I'm going to be testing futures and stuff soon, I don't think that's going to be something that I do. I find the course is a problem when the course is $3,000. What's the simplest 5 to 10 minute strategy for beginners? I think this strategy I trade is somewhat simple. I think this is the easiest approach to the markets currently. We are looking at a few different pairs here right now, just quickly scanning, and it's really just between gold and AJ right now. Let's do a quick poll. We have gold and we have AJ. Which trade do you like? An in-person, Patricia? Patricia, I could never meet you in person. I would jump your bones. And I mean that respectfully. Alrighty. Patricia is one of the most beautiful patties, obviously. You're in on gold already. You got in here, huh? See, this was the fair value gap entry. Shout out to Ducky. Maybe I should have took your trade, Ducky. Where's Ducky at right now? Looks like Houdini just had a nice win on Australian dollar. Look at that. Sold it down right there. Beautiful. Good job, Houdini. Get into the Discord. You know, these guys are pretty interesting. Look, they're always in here. They're chatting. Even when I'm not on stream, they're in here placing trades. It's always Ducky and Houdini and Raven and Bob. And they are in here trading to their heart's content. I love them. Gold is pushing up off of that fair value gap. Ducky, we should have took your trade. AJ. AJ's coming down. We may have to take the AJ, people. We may have to take the AJ. How far can we take this thing, though? Do we take the bottom of the demand? Maybe so. Maybe so. We are pulling back dramatically here. All right, everyone still wants me to take the gold trade, but we have two options. We have gold and we have AJ. And it does look like AJ may be the play here as it comes down to our demand. What's the entry on gold? The gold entry is quite far down here. I have it just kind of off of these wicks here. I'm just thinking, maybe it'll hit these wicks again and I would get that reaction. But it does look like AJ may be the play, guys. I hope that's all right with the chat. I know you guys didn't want that in the chat. Looks like we've got an Arabic guy in here. Hopefully he's not attacking me in the comments. I would never know. I can't block you. The Arabic, I did release the Arabic version of the robot today. Let's take a look and see. Thanks, Edgar Souza. Look at this. Look at this. The Arabic version of the Trade with Pat robot website is now available. Do you know anyone Arabic in your life that wants to win more trades? The Arabic version of the website is now available. This section's a bit messy here, but what can you do, right? So shout out to all of the Arabic patties. I should learn a little bit more Arabic so that I can actually speak with the Arabs. I love the Arabs. Sometimes I think there's too many Arabs, but I love them anyways. What did Trump say yesterday? He goes, "Quiet, piggy. I'm trying to talk. Quiet, piggy." You're a teacher, Amar? Oh, he's thanking me? Awesome. Love it. Love it. Love you guys. Love. You know, I have 50,000 subscribers. I have 50,000 subscribers in my Arabic channel. Some say that's a lot of subscribers. I think it's a good amount. All right, the Trump feels pretty good right now. I gotta say, the Trump feels pretty good right now. AJ, let's be careful on this one. If gold is coming, let's wait on gold. Let's cancel AJ for now. Vapul, let's wait on gold. Let's wait on gold. They want gold. They love gold. They haven't seen my new White House. It's covered in gold. UTC -4, 3 a.m. I don't know what you mean. I didn't see that Trump met Ronaldo. That I'm sure that was funny. I met Ronaldo. He's a good soccer player. If I was younger, I'd be a better soccer player, obviously. I feel like the Trump's on right now. I feel like the Trump is cooking right now. What do you guys want me to say in the Trump voice? The problem with Powell is he's gay. There you go. That's not bad. Trump is on. All right, we are pulling back here a little bit on gold. I am disciplined. I am disciplined. Yes. If I get the trade, I get the trade. If I don't, but the thing is, it's like you've seen me on stream so many times, right? So many times you've seen me on stream, and I've had that discipline, and we still get a trade every day. You know what I mean? We still get a trade every day. AJ? I know. I want to take it. I want to take it, but we're going to wait. We're going to wait for gold. Now, we should have a forced entry. So, if AJ comes down to this demand here, then we just have to take it. You know what I mean? if it comes down to this level, we have no choice but to take it. Okay, so then we have a forced entry. The only problem is you just have all these FVGs, so there's a lot of market imbalance even below that level. Okay, gold. This is it. Come on, baby. Come down to us. Tap us in. The problem with gold is there's not enough, and China owns too much. Yeah, my Trump is money today. I'm going to have to watch this back. It feels good. I got to get some water, though. It's hurting my throat. Euro NZD. I don't think I've got... No, I have... My Euro NZD is 2.5 pips. There's no way I'm taking that. We're scalping here, brother. 2.5. Oh. We're going to keep an eye on this, AJ, though, just to see if we would have won it. We are patient. We are so patient, waiting for our gold trade. You know, if we don't get a trade today, that's okay. That's okay. Then we come back and we do this all again on Monday. And we go for the 10 straight on Monday. Either way, you know. Then I don't have to get a spray tan. That would be nice. I don't really want a spray tan. USD is winning everywhere. Yeah, US dollars is strong as hell this morning. If you were just bullish on the US dollar this morning, you made a boatload of cash. I'm thinking at some point the US dollar strength is going to weaken, and that's going to be when we enter our trade right here on gold. US dollar is going to get a little soft, and we're going to come up and we're going to tap that midline. We're going to TP1, and then we are cruising. The Trade with Pat robot is doing very, very well. Yes, I will do an update video on it. Probably in a week or two, probably in a couple weeks or two. Most people like my strategy videos. I don't like to, you know, just basically advertise my robot all the time. But it's going really well. All the accounts are up. You know, it's easy to install. People are happy with it. I'm happy with it. You know, we've updated to 1.01. We've updated to 1.02. So we've also given multiple free updates already. I will be doing a video, you know, kind of talking about it, going into a bit more detail, maybe in a week or so, maybe 2 weeks. You know, maybe, I don't know if any of you guys are using the Trade with Pat robot and you want to film a, you know, 10-second, 15-second, hey, love the Trade with Pat robot, these are my results or whatever. I don't know. That would be cool. I'd appreciate it if you guys did that. Maybe I'll put some testimonials on the website. The copier is the same in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. The MetaTrader 5 version of the copier, for some reason, some people have problems with it. So I am actually updating that as well. I've been working so much lately. We are actually coming pretty close here to a potential entry on gold. Are we going to do this? Are we going for 10 straight here? We are getting close. Let's pull that fib off. Let's clean this picture up a little bit here. Everybody pray that we can win this trade this morning. Prayers, salutations, whatever it is. If you really want me to get that spray tan, we have to win this trade. Price is coming down potentially to an entry right here. This is looking like a pretty big red candle. It's looking like a risky play. We're getting a reaction off of my demand. Are we going to tap me in? I don't know. We want 10 wins in a row. The Patties deserve 10 wins in a row. Please, please. I am praying to the Forex gods, the indices gods, the day trading gods, that they come through for us. That being said, if we lose, I really don't actually want to get the spray tan. I really don't. I don't want to look like Trump. I like to sound like Trump. I don't want to look like Trump. Now, we reacted pretty well off of my level. Honestly, if we got in here, I could have easily TP1'd off of that already. That's a good I would have TP1'd here. That's a good reaction. Should have got in top of my zone. That would have been a win already. Drew. Drew has been begging for a free copy of that robot. All right, Drew, you win it. If I win the trade today, you win it. Damn it, I would have won. I would have won. Look at that. Look at that sucker. You'll come back down to me. I know you'll come back down to me. But don't waste the buyers here. Don't waste all the buyers here. Black Friday special. The Black Friday special on the robot is pretty much going to be the same price because, you know, it's 20% off right now. So I'm probably just going to extend that for Black Friday. Oh, we're coming so close to our entry here on gold. We've got some strong sellers here. We clearly have some buyers here as well. That pushed the price up off of this wick earlier and off of this wick earlier. That's why this is our entry, because we know there are some buyers here. We are very close to tapping in. I hope that we can tap in and get a nice reaction that we're seeing here on gold this morning. How'd our AJ do? Our AJ, nothing's happening there. So just waiting to get in on gold here this morning. Tap and rip. If we win the trade, I'm going to get a spray tan. And I'm also going to give Drew a free copy of the Trade with Pat robot. He's been in here every day saying I need it. He's got 2 beautiful kids. And, you know, as a family man myself, he deserves it. Over 1,000 people in here right now. People want to see if he can hit 10, don't they? Come on, baby. Hit 10. Hit 10. We are just waiting for a tap in here. Look, we were close right there already, weren't we? We were real close. And I hit my gold win yesterday in the VIP trading room, hoping to go for broke again. Yeah, the streams are looking pretty nice lately, aren't they? Of course, Drew. Yes, you got a couple of girls. I'm hoping to have a bunch of girls myself. And that's just not daughters. I also want a bunch of wives. Patricia, wink, wink. Anyways, where were we? We are about to tap in and fly, aren't we? Come on now, come on. Could be reacting to a trend. Okay, well, there we go. There is another bullish push down. So this would be, you know, you want the candle to start bearish here, because then you go bearish, bullish, flip. 1, 2, 3, 4 red in a row. We are due for some green here, so we're gonna tap in and we're gonna hope for the best. Now, is this thing gonna come all the way down to my EMA? I don't think so. I think we got a nice entry level here. Let's see if we can chop this thing right in here. Let's make this happen. We are close, close, close. They call me Patty Pullback. How many strategies do I trade? I just trade really one strategy. It's just a lot of different concepts within that strategy. It's very much, yeah, it's just, you know, discretionary, right? I have multiple confluences that I look for that make for a good trading position. I like to get significant pullbacks. So we have a significant pullback in price. I want to see my orb get broken to the upside. Excuse me. I don't like this right now. I don't like that at all. That's not what I want to see. because it's like we could go green and then we could go red again. I'd rather it stays red and then goes green from here, right? Because if it goes green and then, you know, it goes green here, then we could go kind of red, red, red again. But if it goes red, then I think when we get to the entry, we could go green. So hopefully that's what happens here. I know that's just weird explanations, but it's kind of just like a gut feel that I have for the market, which is kind of part of my strategy. It doesn't always work, but it's kind of like that trading in the zone idea where you just kind of believe what's going to happen. Is AJ going to go? Is AJ going? AJ's at the level I was considering as well. This is another level down here on AJ that I may consider. This is like my, if it comes here, I have to trade it level. Back to gold. We are fighting this level right now. Damn, if that comes down here, the pool, I don't know what the hell we're gonna do. That is a juicy level. Okay, gold looks like it's gonna come. I'm gonna come. I'm hoping sniper entry, man. I don't know. I'm hoping. I am almost in. I did not get in there. I was an inch from in. Oh, I'm close. Oh no. I'm in. Let's hope for a reaction. What the hell just happened there? Did I just throw the 10th trade in a row? We're gonna have to pull it down. Holy crap, guys. We're going for 10 in a row. It's gonna be the worst trade we ever take. What the hell? What the hell was that? Alright, come back, please. Holy crap. Guys, I don't know if we're gonna go 10 straight here. What the hell just happened? Holy crap. Holy crap. What did Trump just do to me? Holy crap. Okay, well that's our last line of defense there. So we are already in hell. I'm already down 3K. Jeez, don't clip this one. What the hell happened there? Golden XAU USD is the same thing. Oh my god. That's the worst entry we've ever had. I guess they don't want me to have the spray tan here. Holy smokes. They don't want me to be orange. That was the craziest thing I've ever seen on stream that went against us. Damn, you know what? Jeez, I don't know how much. I guess we could pull it to here, but that's it. You know, if that would be it. Hopefully we could react off of demand quickly here the same way. Let's come back to life here, guys. Let's come back to life. Okay. Holy crap. Have you ever seen a worse entry in your life? Come on, baby. Do something for me. They do not want me orange. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Please come back. Wow. You go, holy, you go, I got a nice entry on that one, you think to yourself. You go, what a pullback. And then, holy crap. That's, you know, in this streak, that is probably in the whole, what, how long have I been doing this? 7 months on stream now, something like that? 6 months on stream? That's the craziest entry that we've ever seen. We got to come back up. We got to get 10 in a row today. How could you do that to me? How the hell could you do that to me? We have now filled the fair value gap here. There was real imbalance in the markets here. We've filled this level. Can we come back up? We have also, you know, change of character on that candle break right there, which is not good. But hopefully the buyers can now step back in and we could get somewhere here. That was just crazy. Of course, we have 1,200 people watching when the market does the weirdest thing against me ever. That trade must have been too obvious. There must have been too many people on it, or the hedge funds just don't want me to win 10 wins in a row. I don't know what to tell you, but we're hoping. Please, AUD JPY. Yeah, that's also coming down. I wonder if we go for broke. I didn't make any of you join this trade. You're timed out. I actually said many times before the trade, don't copy my trades. I believe was the exact words. So don't be a moron. NQ coming down like crazy as well. Oh, yeah, there's just some crazy stuff happening in the market right now. That's just that, you know, sometimes there's just no prediction. Sometimes your price action just isn't going to work out, but we are now in the trade, so we have to just kind of hold on here for dear life and hope that we could go for 10 straight. But geez, the selling pressure is incredibly strong right here. It may just be no spray tan, baby. Yeah, we're just gonna we're gonna hold strong here. We're gonna hold strong. We're gonna cross our fingers. What are we at? 61 wins and 19 losses. Jeez, let's please. I want that 62 today. Come on, baby, please. Don't screw me, gold. I love gold. We've filled the fair value gap. It's time to bounce back. Please, gold, please. Pray for the patties. 4080 is our next level of support. Yeah, well, I don't know if the trade will go down that deep. Let's see. Which is here. Off of this level. That would be probably my final. Because at that point, look, I'm about a 1-to-1 on that, if that's what I'm looking at. Love you from there as well. Now, none of us expected that drop. We'll be all right. We'll be all right. We'll fight through this thing. We'll get it back. What are they saying in the Discord? This day sucks. Raven, don't say that. We're gonna get it back. Don't worry, Raven. We got you. We got you, Raven. I got you, Ducky. We're gonna come back here. We got a green candle out of that somehow, some way. We got a green candle out of that. They cleared some stop losses already. They cleared the retail stop losses. It's time. So flip bearish, then we're going bullish after this candle right here. We're going bullish now. It's time. We closed. We respected. We tapped the demand, right? We have tapped the lower demand. We have closed inside the fair value gap. There are reasons for this position to start coming back up. Can we get to this level right here? Can we get to this level? I want to see maybe this level right there. Can we come to that level? Is that a level? Is that the spray tan level? If we go right there, we go. Is that spray tan? Is that spray tan TP1? Question mark. Is it possible? Can this trade recover? The worst entry I've done all month, the worst entry I've done all year. Can it recover? Can it get to the spray tan TP1? Maybe yes, maybe no. I am not checking any other pairs. I am trading gold right now. What is the risk reward of this trade? I don't know. I'm a price action trader. I don't measure risk and reward before or after. I live trade the charts. That's why you watch the stream. I take my profits and I adjust it as the markets go. I trade a lot differently than probably a lot of the other people you watch. I've been trading for 17 years. I have a stop loss and a take profit on the chart for you to see. That's it. It's just for you to see because traders like to see it. It makes it easier for you to view. That doesn't mean those are the levels that I'm focused on. I'm getting rinsed. Oh, man. It may be no spray tan. I may be out. My lower stop loss on this trade is going to be my stop loss. Like this level here is going to be my stop loss. I will not be moving it. This is it. So if we hit here, it's no spray tan and we are back starting over. It is what it is. It is what it is. Come to Pakistan? All right, I'm coming to Pakistan. Sad one, really sad one. So close to spray tan, so close. I hope we could still bounce here. This is our demand level here, so ideally if we could close above or inside the demand, we still have a good shot at this thing. We're not too far down. You know, we could sit and draw down for another hour here and we could still win this position. I never give up. I'm patient. I'm disciplined. And I wait to see what happens. Okay, let's see. The markets are going crazy here to the downside. Can we take some of that volume? Can some buyers step in on gold this morning? I hope so. You know, my gold win record in the gold VIP trading room this year is over 70%. Hopefully I could carry that forward into this trading position. Hopefully. We are just hoping is all we could do. But I won't be moving my SL further. If it hits here, I'm out, and that'll be, you know, I'll be out $6,000 or something like that. I don't really feel like being out $6,000. I don't want to be out $6,000. So hopefully we could come back up and we could get this thing into some profit. Thank you, Nicholas. I appreciate that. There are always losses, yes, but not this one. This one is going to come up for me. We need some real big push up here. There we go. That's something decent. Close at my entry. I'm not actually taking advice from the chat right now, but I appreciate your recommendation. Did Bitcoin eat it this morning as well? Holy crap, Bitcoin's below 90. I'm losing more money on that than I'm losing on this trade, I'll tell you that much. I have since the high, since 126, my unrealized losses from that level are over $1 million on Bitcoin. The robot website is tradewithpat.com. Okay, baby, come on now. Let's go. It's buyer time. Let's get back into the building here. Let's go. Let's break above this box. Break above the box. Break above the EMA. Please do me this favor. I know there's buyers in here somewhere. This price has to be exhausted. Look how crazy this pullback is, right? It's been such a significant pullback. There has to be something for us here. We've been in the markets doing so well for so long. We need some juice here. I like that we wicked out of the demand right here. That's a nice sign, but we need an explosive move up. That's what we really need here. Thank you, Zoya. Appreciate you. Really wanted to do that spray tan thing, but it is what it is. Hopefully. Bitcoin won't go back to 100 for a long time. I don't think that's true, Devadath. I don't think that's true. Maybe I'm just more of a optimistic person, but that optimism has helped me. I said the robot website name. It's on the screen. Tradewithpat.com. There you go. You ask me a question, I answer it, but then you still don't see it, so I typed it in the chat for you. All right? There it is. This is not a robot trade, though. This is a manual trade. We need something soon. We need some bulls, please. Yes, Green Deer. Gold is melting. I know. I won my gold win yesterday in the VIP room. I'm hoping that my gold streak can stay strong. I think I have like 5 or 6 gold wins in a row right now. In addition to my 9 wins in a row on stream as we look for 10. This can't be the one that takes me down. I hope it doesn't take me down. Still floating -3 right now. We're staying optimistic though. We always stay optimistic. We are positive traders. You said it won't stay below 100K. Now that is the optimism that I'm hoping to see. I should increase my profit now. Yeah, I know. What, take another trade, Zoya? Hop in again? I know. I should double my lots and grid this baby. Everything that comes down goes up. Romano Spa definitely knows. Haven't seen you in a while, Romano. Hope you're doing well. Come on, man. Please, somebody save me. That's a tight trend line. Be nice to break that. Please, please. Oh, you're here all the time. You just don't talk much? That's all right. Generally, I just take like 1 trade a day. That's it. I wish I could save you because you always save us. Oh, thank you so much, youngest YouTuber. I appreciate that. USD still going up? Yeah. I'm not cutting away. No, this is it. The trades I take are the trades I take. No negativity, please. The gold group, I give usually about 2 or 3 gold trades per week. And it's going very, very well. Again, I'm over 70% with my gold trades in VIP. This is not a VIP trade. This is a stream trade. When I do my VIP trades, it's actually me and 2 other analysts, and we have a conversation. We have a meeting about every signal we send. So sometimes they stop me from making dumb decisions like this one. I just really caught a lot of red today, didn't I? I would love to see some green today. Please, somebody save me. Where's Naomi to save me? You think it'll bounce up to TP1? I hope so too. I'm holding out hope here. My thoughts on FOMC, I don't know. I haven't really read anything about it yet. I was more focused on my prep for the stream and for this trade, which maybe I would have done better if I didn't prep so much for this trade. It took me 2 years to be profitable, although with trading robots, I was pretty profitable within like 6 months. So sometimes I'm actually better using robots because it's like I can use my market analysis, but then I let the robot kind of take the entry for me, and that's kind of helped me with some guesswork over the years, and being even more disciplined, not letting my emotions be involved. So obviously I love robots. Yeah, we caught a big red candle, but we didn't expect the candle to be that big, right? The candle wasn't that large originally. We are just trying. We are trying. Yeah, about half the way to SL here. Need a green candle at some point. You're right. I wanted to move downward, not that far down. That's all right. I'm still, you know, whatever. I'm staying optimistic. I'm on a really good streak lately. If I lose one, I lose one. It's not a big deal, but it would be disappointing. You know, I had a lot of anticipation. I told everybody on my hockey team that I was going to get this 10th win in a row today. We drank before our game, but then we did lose our game, I think 7-2, which is not good. So between this and that, maybe a losing streak. Yeah, gold is definitely avoiding green today, but we'll see. You know, we can see. There's still room here. We've wicked out of this area a little bit. You know, we've rejected out of this area a little bit. It's possible, right? We've won trades that were worse before, right? We have come to, you know, we got our spray tan levels just right there. It's possible, right? Anything is possible. 11:13 in the morning. I'm not checking Nasdaq. I am watching my live trade. This isn't a recording, so when I'm down $3,000, I can't just look at another pair, because if this thing jumps down to 6 or something, I gotta exit, right? I can't. There are certain limits of how much of my account I'm gonna allow blow during a stream. This is a live account. Come on, baby, come back to me. Somebody save me. Yeah, last trade I was down 5,000 in drawdown and ended up big, so it's possible. I never lose hope. I am a disciplined trader. I am patient. I am able to deal with the drawdowns and with the emotions of trading. It would suck if we lose, but you know, whatever. You know, this is the annoying thing about the stream, is that like we could win the trade like this. You know, like this, we could have one green candle come up all the way here, knock a bunch of take profits out. But then because we were down here, I was just talking about losing for a long time, right? We need optimism. We need to talk about winning. Thank you, Drew. Appreciate that. Prop firm. I haven't done any prop firms yet. I'm going to play around on those futures prop firms on stream soon. I don't know when that's going to be. I'm waiting for the broker that I work with. I know they're working on a prop firm, I think. So I want to see if they get that going. We got a candle that's pushing a little bit here in our direction, which is nice to see. Can we break through that EME? Can we break through that trend line? Is it finally time for buyers to come back in? Do I have to book a spray tan? I don't even know where the hell I can get a spray tan. Is it possible that we are turning things around here? Are we breaking out of that trend line right now? Maybe. Let's see. It's nice to see a green candle for once. It's nice to see it. Green for James. Spray tan time. Please do. You know, even if you're unhappy with my drawdown stream here, please do smash that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I feel like I trade the best trading strategy in Forex, in indices, in gold. I feel like my trading strategy is best. I've proven it. 61 and 19. 9 straight wins right now, going for 10. Sometimes I lose. It's true. I've lost 19 times on stream. I've won 61 times on stream. So the record's nice. The account is nice. Can we see 2 green candles in a row? That would also be very, very nice. The name of my strategy, I call it like an orb with pullbacks, maybe an orb P. I trade live 2 times a week right now. Honestly, It's too much work, and I'm way too rich to do it, but I do it anyways. I do it for the patties. But when I move into that mansion, I should just retire. But I won't. I'm not going anywhere. I love you too much. All right, this one, flip bears, then bullish. It's bull time soon. It's bull time soon. Come on. Come on. I don't know how many times I'm going to tell you this. I am live trading, so I'm not going to look at your charts. You're welcome to look at your own charts, but I am down $4,000 on a live account right now. So no, I'm not going to look at a different chart. If the trade is done, I can look at your charts, okay? Thanks, Drew. Appreciate that. I got about 3 lots on this trade right now. We need some bulls to step in soon here. I don't like the look of this candle. Again, in the last stream, we were 5,000 down in drawdown, and we did come back for a huge win. So we do have that in our back pocket. It has happened before. When will the draw for the winners take place? What winners? Elaborate, guys. I never know anything. I never know what the hell anyone's saying. What draw? I know this candle really does need to flip, Quiz. This is going below the level we want it to go below. I don't know if we're gonna do it here. Jeez, I'm gonna lose like 7 on this one. If I lose it, that better come back up. I don't feel like losing 7-8 grand. I think I went a little too heavy on the lots today too. Close my eyes. I know. Please, baby, please, somebody save me. Where's my Naomi? Where's my little girl, my good luck charm? It is painful to watch, I know, but this is the most viewers we've had in months. So it does seem like everyone's very interested in it. So, you know, at least we got some people watching it. Yesterday you lost 3.5. Today you're up 3.7. I don't doubt. I know that is a long impulsive wave. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. We're patient. It'll come to us. It'll come back. A sadistic lot of them. Yeah. I know. We need a magnet. Is there a what is the magnet, right? Okay, rocket up. There we go. A little gray rocket. Please. I put a rocket on the screen. If that doesn't do it, then nothing will. Trump's got to tweet something. No negativity in the chat. Hourly's looking great. Don't listen to him. We're coming back. Come on, baby. Please. We put the rocket on there. Come on. Oh, I got to take a walk. Just take the day off, man. And if you're on a losing streak, just take one trade at a time. That's going to help you out, all right? You see right now I'm in one trade at a time. If I lose this trade, that's it. I'm done for the day. That being said, I did win my Euro US dollar VIP trade this morning, so that's nice. My EuroCAD free trade is also in drawdown right now, which is sad to have the free trade in drawdown, but the free trade is coming back a little bit as well. So that is a swing trade. I think we'll still win the free trade. Can you enter buys now? Well, you're not supposed to copy me. This is not financial advice. This is education and entertainment only. Can we get back into some of these zones? I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. This is what it looks like right now. Clean the chart up. Gold, save me. Gold is teasing us. How's it going in chat? I hope someone else is winning. What's going on in the Discord right now? Let's go take a look. Well, Ruckus is winning, it looks like. This is with the Trade with Pat robot. Very nice. Ruckus with your wins. Houdini with some wins. RZ with some wins. Yeah, so people are winning with the Trade with Pat robot this morning, which is nice to see. Look, there it is. $40 right there. Ooh, one of our traders just passed his funding challenge. Not using my stream trade, obviously. Must have used some of the VIP trades to pass that challenge. Oh, man. Doesn't feel like it's my day. I don't want to be negative, you know, but it does. I'll be honest. It doesn't feel like it's my day today. I appreciate that, Drew. That entry was just too hard to come back from, it seems like. Just, it shot down right to there on our entry, which is just crazy. I'd never seen an entry like that. Oh well, what can you do, guys? Can't win them all. I'm sorry, guys. You're out. All right. Later, Dennis. Sorry about that, guys. Gonna sweep the Tokyo session low, then reverse. Discord link is in the video description. That's it, folks. We're out of there. No spray tan. That's a sad one. What a streak. What a streak gone. That's too bad. I'm sorry, guys. Just didn't go our way today. I got smoked, didn't I? I know you come to watch wins, but that is trading. Sometimes I lose. The streak down to 0. That's just a crazy one. And this was my AJ trade that I didn't take. And I probably would have TP1'd on this one, so made the wrong decision, didn't I? This was the trade I should have took. It was between this one and it was between this one and the gold one. They looked similarly. This was the one that we didn't want, and this is the one that would have won. What can you do, folks? Trying to fumble the tan. Yeah, we'll be back on Monday for the next stream. Yeah, I could take a look at Nasdaq right now. Nasdaq, my entry is all the way down here. It is getting close to noon, so I don't think I'll take another trade. Still a millionaire, that's right. Still go for a ride in the Porsche after this, so we'll be all right. Thank you, Josh. Appreciate that. Yeah, I'll be back. Are there any other charts you guys want me to look at before I take off? Nasdaq in the middle of the orb. Yeah, that's middle of the orb right now. My entry was about down here. GJ, let's take a look at GJ for you. GJ, yeah, similarly, like it does look like we're just getting reactions off of the moving average. That seems to be a nice entry on the Japanese pairs, right? The AJ was the this was the trade I should have took. Look, TP1 right there. That's the trade I should have took. I took the wrong trade. We had a 50% chance. All right, guys, that's it. Check out tradewithpat.com. I got some more work to do. I got some charts to look at. I'm gonna have to do some back testing on gold after that one to clear my head. Thank you so much for being here. I'll be back on Monday. I love you guys. Win, lose, or draw. No spray tan. Much love.